And we have Reverend Father Jaime Danilo Viola, Saint Mary Magdalene Parish Priest.
Hello. Before we begin with the invocation, good evening, my dear brothers and sisters. The whole night will be spent adoring and admiring the beauty of these young ladies. But before we do that, let us first of all start by glorifying God, the author of all that is beautiful. Together, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, Amen. God the Father and source of all goodness, we gather ourselves tonight with a grateful heart. Thank you for giving us the creativity of creating a wonderful system for beautiful ladies to be able to glorify you. Thank you for creating a venue where differences is welcomed and accepted, wherein we come to be truly ourselves. I pray for each contestant. You see how hard they worked and prepared for the crown, a crown which symbolizes and summarizes their talents, intelligence, bodily proportions, charm, wit, and physical appearance. However, please give each contestant peace in their hearts and the optimism to know that they are not defined by the result of the pageant. Most of all, help us remember and bear in mind that the pageant is an activity which would help us appreciate all the more the beauty of the life of our patron saint, Saint Mary Magdalene. Not so much of her physical appearance, but she became more beautiful in the eyes of God when she humbly accepted her human weakness and in doing so became closer to God. Altogether, our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. Don't lead us into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Saint Mary Magdalene, pray for us. Saint Mary Magdalene, Saint Mary Magdalene, pray for us. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Please remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
right, everyone, have your comfortable seats. And now, to give us the welcome message, we have Mayor Amelita Ibasco, Municipal Mayor, Bula.
Grabing sula. Last light. Honorable Mrs. Soreta and a member of Sangguniang Bayan, Barangay Captain and member of Barangay Council, distinguished guests, and other visitors, member of the Board of Judges, Mrs. Mincy Madrid, Tourism Officer Designate, with assistance of Mr. Dondon Aguilar, member of Pigeon Council headed by Mr. Greg Puntanal, Miss Bula 2016, parents, relatives, and supporter, and lovely candidates, magandang gabi sa lahat. Happy Fiesta. Palagay ko, pareho tayong lahat, nararamdaman natin ang excitement, kasayahan, at impresyon na nakikita natin ngayon sa kagandahan ng ating napipiling mga binibini at dilag ng ating mga barangay. Kaya nararapat na bago ako magpatuloy, bigyan natin ng pagpupugay ang mga nagpupunyagi at naghirap upang maisatuparan ang planong ito. Si Mrs. Mincy Madrid and Mr. Greg Puntanal, Dondong Aguilar, pati ang kasapi ng Pageant Council, pakipalakpakan po natin. Mga barangay captain na namumuno sa legal president, Ariel Besmonte, at barangay council, pakipalakpakan po natin. Mga sponsor, patron, benefactor at lahat ng naging katulong sa beauty pageant na ito, pakipalakpakan po natin. Muling sasabihin ko ito at isang gabi di malilimutan ang pagdiriwan ng ating fiesta. Sabi nga niyan, sa night of to remember, after 1 year, my assumption of to office as your municipal mayor, I am grateful to all who in one way or the another made this activity success. Sana po inspirasyon na dulot ng ating mutyang kagandahan ay magsisilbing gabay na patuloy na tahimik at maunlad na bayan ang ating Bula. Our lovely candidates have their own unique characteristic where they will be judged. The title that will be received and cooperate award as Miss Bula would not be enough. Paramount and importance is the honor, prestige, and the symbolism they will portray, depicting the value of quality of Bulaenya. Mga candidates, lahat tayo ay maging angkin ang sariling kagandahan. Kung maaari sana, lahat tayo maging Miss Bula. Ngunit sa ganitong kompetisyon, isa lang ang nararapat na magtagumpay. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat na nagbigay oras, naghirap sa inyong ibuhos mula sa pagpili ng inyo sa barangay hanggang sa mga pagsasanay. Kung sino man ang manalo, congratulations and be humble. Pangalagaan ang inyong titulo dahil ikaw ang magdadala ng karangalan at mabuting kaugalian sa isang Bulaenya. Maganda, mabait, matulungin at makadiyos. Ang mga hindi magpalad na manalo, huwag sana kayong masaktan. Marami pang pagkakataon para sa inyo. Ang mahalaga, ikaw ay pinakamaganda sa inyong pamilya at barangay. ang bayan natin at ay mayaman sa iba't ibang talino at kagandahan sa lahat ng ibang lugar na maging sa ibang bansa. Isa ka sa ating pinagmamalaki. Maraming salamat at Diyos na sana ang gagabay sa ating lahat sa intercession ng ating mahal na patron, Santa Maria Magdalena. Magandang gabi at maligayang piyesta sa lahat, lalo na sa mga balikbayan, mga bisita at ibang-ibang lugar at lahat na Bulaiños. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Salamat.
Thank you so much, Mayor Amelita Ibasco. Next is the presentation of the Board of Judges. And we have Kagawad Ina Malanyaon.
Good evening, everyone. It is an honor for me to present to you the members of our Board of Judges for tonight. Our first judge is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration at the Aquinas University of Legazpi, cum laude. She completed methods of teaching for elementary education at Bicol University. She is a member of the Provincial Personnel Selection and Promotions Board of the DILG. As DILG officer, she received the following awards. With distinction during the National Induction Training for Local Government Operations Officer 2, Provincial Best Performer for calendar year 1987, Regional Best Performer for calendar year 1987, Bicol Awards. At present, she is the cluster head of the Department of the Interior and Local Government, District 5, Province of Camarines Sur. She is currently taking up Masters in Public Administration. Friends, let us all give a round of applause for Mrs. Salvacion Gladys Flores San Joaquin. Our next judge is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Behavioral Science at the Ateneo de Naga College. She was crowned Bicol Intercollegiate Girl in 1990. She was Miss Naga City and presently, she is the Assistant Mall Manager of SMCD Naga. Let us all give a round of applause for Miss Beldua de Vera. Our next judge is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy at the University of Nueva Cáceres in 2001. He is a former president of the University of Nueva Cáceres Performing Arts Department, or the UNC Glee Club. He is the chairman and president of Camerata Cultura, which is a group of singers and dancers composed of young Bicolano artists, professionals, and students. Currently, he is the senior manager and assistant area head for Bicol branches of Producers Savings Bank Corporation. A well-respected resident of Barangay Salvacion, Bula, Camarines Sur. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a round of applause for Mr. Rivier Relativo Avestruz. Our judge is a graduate of Bachelor of Science, major in social work at Centro Escolar University. She's the chairman and president of Security for People's Empowerment Development Action and Knowledge Foundation Incorporated, or the SPEAK Foundation, which is funded by Unilever Philippines. She is a graduate of Master of Arts in Administration and Supervision, a native of Bili, but now residing in Nabua, Camarines Sur. Let us all give a round of applause for Mrs. Felisa Gornal Tabornal. Our next judge is a Doctor of Philosophy in Behavioral Management. He is a graduate of Master of Arts in Speech and Theater Arts, a Hall of Fame awardee on Culture and Arts given by LGU Nabua, a dance theater artist, choreographer, and trainer. He is the events planner and artistic consultant of Aloysius Events and Concepts. Presently, he is connected with the Department of Science and Technology of Philippine Science High School, Bicol Region Campus. He is the chairman of the Board of Judges for tonight. Let us all give a round of applause for Mr. Joel Rueda Rehinales. Thank you to our Board of Judges.
Thank you, Kagawad Ina Malanyaon, Municipal Kagawad Bula. Next is the audiovisual presentation, The Making of Miss Bula, a glimpse of the past and beauty of Bula.
You and I and nobody else, in a feelings I never felt. The way you got me under your spell, don't you keep it all to yourself. So won't you take it? I feel like for the first time I am not faking. Fingers on my buttons and now you're playing. Master of anticipation, don't you keep it all to yourself. Just a touch of your love is enough to knock me off of my feet, oh just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love is enough to take control of my whole body. Just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love is enough to knock me off of my feet, oh just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love is enough to take control of my whole body. Just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love. Photograph with no t-shirt on,
And now, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to see our 14 lovely candidates on stage? Are you ready? Miss Bula 2017 candidates in their production number.
The show is about to start. Everybody line up. The show is about to start. Places. a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Alright. Oh, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sun shine. Hey, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sun shine. Sexy ladies going crazy, put your hands in the air. We can party, get retarded, acting like we don't care. All my fellas popping bottles, put your drinks in the sky. Glasses high, feel the vibe. It's a beautiful life. Hey. Never stay lonely. It could be forever.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joan Revilla Balagat, 19, from the Hidden Wonder and Beauty in Municipality of Bula, Barangay Itangon.
Oh, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sun shines.
Good evening, friendly people of Bula, Camarines Sur. This is Jay Salviento, 18 years of age, representing the place where you can find Bulwang Spring, the source of water supply, Barangay La Victoria.
Let's go. Hey, yo, Sasha, turn the music up. Let's get this club jumping. It's the anthem time. Let's stand up, put your hands up and pump it. If you can have a party, get it started.
Shane Erica May Salcedo Abonita, 17, with pride to represent the best tourism product of Bula, home of the bamboo furniture's maker, no other than Barangay Pawili.
Don't you feel lonely? We can stay together. We could spend a wonderful time. Oh, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful.
Kay Termes Morillo, 21, from the land where lies a strongly bonded cooperative is, where diversity speaks, and where bayanihan is alive, San Ramon.
Go, 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 go. I need to see your hands in the air right now. Go, go, go. Hands up, get 'em up, get 'em up. Hands up, hands up, get 'em up, get 'em up. Hands up, hands up, get 'em up.
A pleasant evening to each and everyone. My name is Luisa Cabal, 17, and proud to represent from the place where you can find the peaceful and religious barangay, Barangay San Roque Poblacion.
Make your move and make love till the sun shines. Oh, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Hey, oh yeah. It's a beautiful.
Charmaine Balibar Pasive, 20, from the place where all families are united and even dads are accommodated. Sagrada Familia.
New York City, baby.
Darlene Jane Navales Plaza, 19, representing a place where God-fearing people living in peace, in harmony, and in love. Barangay Santo Domingo!
It's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sun shines. Let's go. It's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sun shines.
Good evening, Hannah Louise Balani Basa, 17, from the vicinity in Bula, where you can find hospitable people who are willing and able to accommodate you anytime, wearing their ravishing smile, Palso!
Sasha Lopez, Tony T, Big Alley, New York City, baby.
Andrea Soloma Cruz, 17, proud and honored to represent the place where you can find hospitable and generous people, Barangay La Purísima.
It's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sun shines. Sexy ladies going crazy, put your hands in the air. We can party, get retarded, acting like we don't care. All my fellas popping bottles.
Valerie Fabio, 19, from the place where you can find the miraculous image of San Vicente de Ferrer, Umbao!
Be yourself, go live your life. Let's go, come on, come on. Don't you feel lonely? We can stay together. We could spend a wonderful time. Oh, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sun shines.
2017, promoting the fishing industry of San Jose with its rise prosperity and lit its battle cry, Dalagan Bubuatan!
Hey, yo, Sasha, turn the music up. Let's get this club jumping. It's the anthem time. Let's stand up, put your hands up and pump it. If you came to have a party, get it started tonight. Feeling right while you're in hype. 'Cause when we gotta leave, you live a beautiful life.
Beverly Villones Taclizon, 21, from the beautiful and majesty shrine of our Queen of the Family, Tanawan Park, Bacolodjo!
We could spend a wonderful time. Oh, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful world. Make your move and make love till the sunshine. Hey, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful world.
Diyos marhay nag-abi sa Indugabos, Angelica Razon, nagre-representar kung sa inindo mahihiling. Ang magayon na Nalalata Falls, Barangay, Lubgan.
Oh, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful world. Make your move and make love till the sunshine.
Pauline Island Radiometer, 17, from Barangay, where you can find a beautiful scenery and a wide range of rice field, San Agustin.
Alright. Oh, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sunshine. Hey, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sunshine. Sexy ladies going crazy, put your hands in the air. We can party, get retarded, acting like we don't care. All my fellas popping bottles, put your drinks in the sky. Glasses high, feel the vibe. It's a beautiful
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome our host for tonight, a beauty queen, events host, and a former TV host of MagTV na Uragon, ABS-CBN. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Miss Barbie Lewis, together with the ABS-CBN MOR 93.5 for life, DJ Mackie Macho.
Good evening, Bula! Good evening! Maray na banggi sa Indugabos, maray na banggi sa imo, Kuya Maki.
Good evening po sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon and welcome to Miss Bula 2017! Good evening once again sa lahat, Barbs. Good evening sa'yo.
Good evening din sa'yo.
And masaya ako na kasama kita tonight and this is our first time.
This is actually our first time together.
Yes, to work together.
Hosting a beauty pageant.
Yes,
you know
yes.
what, ladies and gentlemen, we've been working for so many how many years? 2 years, I guess.
Yes,
But
or
we-
2 or 3 years.
2 or 3 years, but we didn't have the opportunity to host a beauty pageant. So
Yes.
ngayon lang.
First time natin.
time.
So good luck sa atin. Alright. And advance happy Fiesta Bula and maraming salamat po for inviting us to be part of Miss Bula 2017. Actually, this is the 439th year or fiesta of
that's
Bula.
a long time. And so, alam ko na lahat kayo, you are very, very blessed to have our municipal mayor, our very supportive municipal mayor.
Ibasco.
Yes, and of course, and thank you so much then for giving us your time to the panel of judges. Of course, they'll be having a very, very tough task tonight. But thank you so much for giving us your time. Ayan, as you can see, they're all wearing green. Sabi mo nga kanina, ano yung sabi mo kanina? Why green?
Kasi hindi ko pa sure kung dineclare na parang bamboo capital of the Philippines ang Bula. Hindi ko pa sure ha.
Yes.
But I guess parang papunta doon. Kung na-proclaim na, congratulations,
Yes,
diba?
sana. At least meron na. And thankful naman ako, naka-green ako.
Oh, you belong.
Hindi ko nga ini-expect na meron talaga, na-green talaga sila ngayon. But of course, yes. Ayan. So,
Welcome once again, and let's move on with our next.
Yes,
segment.
and the next is the awarding of first set of special award. And we have the Miss Friendship.
Of course, the Miss Friendship was voted by co-candidates by themselves, the candidates themselves, the friendliest of them all. Okay, for the Miss Friendship. Of course, for this segment, we will be awarding the Miss Friendship, Miss Photogenic, and
the best in production number.
now for the Miss Friendship, our presenters.
For Miss Friendship, we have, for Sash, we have Honorable Nelly Largo, ex-councilor Jimel Largo. And for the bouquet, we have Miss Donna Martinez. And for the cash, we have Mr. Isagani Rananya.
And our Miss Friendship is candidate number... Candidate number 11.
Candidate number 11, you are Miss Friendship. Congratulations, candidate number 11. You are Miss Friendship for this year's Miss Bula.
Next, our next award will be the Miss Photogenic. The Miss Photogenic, of course, is the most beautiful girl in picture. And who's our official photographer?
Yes.
Official photographer.
And to hand over the award, such as the sash, photo frame, the bouquet, and cash. For sash, we have Mr. Peter Blanquera and Mrs. Eva Espinoso. And for photo frame, we have Mr. Brian R. Parantar. And for bouquet, we have Miss Melanie Malin Galicia. For cash, we have Mr. Rocky Arcega.
And for this year's Miss Photogenic,
Miss Photogenic is...
candidate number...
Who's your bet?
You've seen their photos outside. Who's your Miss Photogenic? Our Miss Photogenic is candidate number 14.
Candidate number 14, you are Miss Photogenic for this year's Miss Bula. Congratulations. Congratulations once again, candidate number 14. And next set of special award is Best in Production
Number. But I think there's still... Okay. They're still tabulating the scores of our
Yes,
candidates for the
that's
Best in
later.
Production Number. And you've seen the ladies in their best in their production number. We already know the Miss Photogenic and the Miss Friendship. Of course, later, we will be giving you a lot of segments that will ooze your night tonight.
That is right, Barb. And this time, again, congratulations to candidate number 11, candidate number 13 for winning the special first set of special award. And the next one is Of course, we have the entertainment number.
From the Miss Bula 2017 Resident
Dancers.
Dancers.
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. I'm gonna find you and make you love me. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. I'm gonna find you. Ready or not, ready or not, ready or not, ready or not, ready. You can't hide.
How you do that? I'm trying to pursue that. Drop it down on the nigga, do damage. With a mobile left or right, it's panoramic. Panoramic. It's panoramic. Panoramic. It's panoramic. Let's go!
Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga, 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 conga. Come on, shake your body, baby, do that
Girl, I wanna see you.
Thank you so much, Miss Bula 2017 resident dancers. And now, at this point of time, we have to acknowledge and thank our sponsors.
Cause it's you who gives me strength. Nothing is impossible. Through you, blind eyes are open. Strongholds are broken. I'm living by faith. Nothing is impossible. Yeah.
our sponsors, thank you so much. Up next, the play suit competition. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen, to see once again on stage our candidates? Are you ready? Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome back on stage our Miss Bula 2017 candidates and their play suits.
Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now, 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 right now. Time to get off of the ground. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now, 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 right now. Time to get off of the ground. Let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now.
Shake your body, baby, do that.
Thin lines, hot sun and clear blue skies. The waves are crashing by. And when she passed me by and gave a wink and smile, and I was on cloud nine, Lord. The way you move your hips and lick your lips, the way you dip, you got me up so high. Girl, you got that body with them curls like a Bugatti. I just wanna drive. Oh, and girl, you know, round and round your love it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop. Oh, round and round your love it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop. Oh, round and round your love it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop. Oh, round and round your love it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop. Oh, gravity define. I can't believe my eyes. That thing can bring the tide. Hey, around and round clockwise, like a merry-go-ride. I wanna go all night. Yeah, the way you move your hips and lick your lips, the way you dip, you got me up so high. Yeah. Girl, you got that body with them curls like a Bugatti. I just wanna drive. Oh, and girl, you know, round and round your love it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop. Oh, round and round your love it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop. Oh, round and round your love it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop. Oh, round and round your love it winds
Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Right now, 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 right now. Time to get off of the ground. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Right now, right now, right now, right now, right now, right now, right now. Time to get off of the ground. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Right now.
you go, ladies and gentlemen, our 14 lovely candidates in their play suits.
Wow, uzin.
Yes, grabe.
Lalo uminit, di ba?
Oo nga eh. Yung electric pa natin umaalis.
Are you guys alright? Mainit ba? Mainit.
The night is getting hotter and hotter because of the play
hotter
suit
and
tonight.
hotter,
All right,
yes.
and Barbs, we're come now to the second set of
Second
special
set
awards.
of special awards, and of course, we will start off with our Miss Beautiful Smile.
All right, and our presenter for Miss Beautiful Smile is Dr. Moises Soreta, our Vice Mayor. And the winner for Miss Beautiful Smile is candidate number.
Miss Beautiful Smile is candidate number 8.
Congratulations, candidate number 8. You are Miss Beautiful Smile. All right, Barbs, for our second set of special awards, we have Miss Dove, we have Miss Points, we have Miss Crimsilk.
And of course, we'll be awarding the Best in Production number after our corporate award.
All right.
Okay.
All right, our Miss Points.
For our Miss Points, our presenter is Kagawad Marivic Solano.
All right, our Miss Points for this year's Miss Bula is... Who's your bet? Candidate number 11. Congratulations. And to hand over the award, we have
Kagawad Marivic Solano. Of course, thank you to Unilever.
All right. Yes, thank you so much to Unilever.
And of course, our next award would be the Miss Crimsilk.
And the presenter for Miss Crimsilk is Miss Pardo.
I hope this award, actually before yung Miss Crimsilk, I was actually hoping that I will get this kind of award, but
And you did?
unfortunately no, because of my very, very curly, no, not
Hair.
curly hair, wavy hair.
All right.
All right, for our Miss Crimsilk, goes to candidate number, long, silky, straight hair. Candidate number 14.
Candidate number 14, you are Miss Crimson for this year's Miss Bula. And our presenter is Miss Pardo. And you will receive a gift pack from Crimson.
Award would be the Miss Dove. Miss Dove will be presented by Miss Sarah, or by Miss Amor, rather.
And the winner for Miss Dove is Sina. All right, congratulations, candidate number 7. Congratulations, you are Miss Dove, and the award is to be presented by Miss Amor.
Congratulations.
All right, and now
For the best in production number, our presenters.
we have Honorable Ariel Bismonte and Mrs. Marivic Bismonte for the sash. And for the bouquet, we have Miss Nanette Soralde. And for the cash, we have Mrs. Anne Bona.
Our best in production number, garnering a score of 92.8%, is candidate number.
For best in production number is
Candidate number 11.
candidate number 11. You are best in production number. And to hand over the award, we have for the sash, we have Honorable Ariel Bismonte and Miss Marivic Bismonte. And for the bouquet, we have Miss Annette Soralde. And for the cash, we have Mrs. Anne Bona. Once again, congratulations, candidate number 11.
11. Congratulations, ladies. And of course, thank you to our presenters and our sponsors.
Yes. Thank you so much, of course, from Unilever. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And next, Barb, is, I guess, the play suits.
Yeah, of course. Laser will be awarded. All right. Thank you so much, ladies, and we'll see you back
A bit later.
a bit later.
All right.
And now we will be entertained by Mr.
Richard Cornell.
Tell me, how do people find each other? And a world that's full of strangers. You got to believe in magic, something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. All I need to know is this feeling. care. We were born to share this dream, my love. You got to believe in magic. Tell me, how do people find each other? And a world that's full of strangers. You got to believe in magic, something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. Many times I wish you were here, to the darkness as it came. I wish you were near, to the darkness as it came. But it seems that you never said what I needed to hear. Just tell me you love me, whisper words I so long to hear. Let this time not be borrowed, let it be ours to share. If you tell me you love me, it would lead away to your heart, through the mirrors of silence. You love me. Quietly I've waited for the memory born of our first kiss. Patiently I've waited for the moment you would take me to a world that I never seen that world before. Just tell me you love me, whisper words I so long to hear. Let this time not be borrowed, let it be ours to share. If you tell me you love me, it would lead away to your heart, to the mirrors of silence. You love me, you love me. Salamat.
Thank you, Richard Cornell. Next, is the audio-visual presentation of the candidates' advocacies. Let's watch.
Being the first ever ambassadress of our own barangay in Miss Bula is one of my greatest achievements so far. I grew up in Itangon, that is not yet civilized. But joining this beauty pageant set a platform to showcase what beauty, talent, personality, and brain we have. Likewise, I want to inspire and motivate young ones that there is nothing impossible. Just believe in themselves, no matter what color, height, size, and status they have. But what should make them complete as a person is to be confident, knowing that they can achieve anything and they can be whoever they wanted to be. Aside from that, in support to the vision of Barangay Itangon, my primary advocacy is to help promote our barangay as tourist destination in municipality of Bula and can be recognized globally that provide jobs to all the head of family.
My advocacy in life as one of the youth of Bula, Camarines Sur is to inspire all the youth organizations or even the teenagers to bear in their minds that the youth is the key to have the strong foundation and the youth is the key for change. Because like what Dr. Jose Rizal says that, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. I am proud to be a Bulaweños. I will promote and support Bula Camarines Sur.
Bilang po sa miyembro kang banwaan ng Bula, saro po usad po sa kong advokasya ay ang paunlaron asin ang mas lalong palaganapon ang turismo kang Bula. Aram ta po ngamin na dito po ang Bula sa Kawayan. Kaya pinagmamalaki ko po ang sakong barangay na duman po may hiling ang paragibo ng mga bamboo furnitures. Kaya gusto ko po sana na mas lalong madagdagan ang mga trabaho duman asin si mga naghahanap buhay. Asin gusto ko po sanang mas mabisto ang sakuyang barangay. Bako lang po ang sakong barangay, pati po ang pinagmamalaki ko pong banuan tang Bula. So, we should be proud, promote, and preserve what God has given to us. Let's make our environment give the best version of it. So, what was it is to hold our hand to make this not just a better place, but the best place to live in.
We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, but we borrow it from the younger generation. My advocacy is to establish interactive projects to educate the younger generation and of the adolescents on the value of recycling and of the wildlife protection, to maintain the beauty of the municipality of Bula. As a result, we would have a litter-free, thriving wildlife habitats and a sustainable ecotourism spot. Once again, I am a Bulaweño. I will support, I am proud, and I will promote.
Kinagagal ako na mapasali sa isang prestiyosong patimpalak na ito. Bilang isang kandidata ng Miss Bula 2017 at kinatawan ng Barangay San Roque Poblacion, ang aking advokasya ay mapanatili ang kalinisan ng aming barangay sa pagsasawgawa ng 5R, which are reuse, reduce, recycle, restore, and respect. At dahil dito, may bibigay natin ang maliwalas at magandang buhay at kalikasan.
Ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Simple yet meaningful. Everyone has the capability to attend schools, to learn, and to dream. Yet only some is given the opportunity to do so. Education is important. To show their different talents and skills is one of its goals. We should take part on this because this can change you, them, and the society.
The greatest contribution I can do to the community is to join livelihood projects, seminars, and charities. Environment is the most precious gift that we receive from God. I believe that we must be a disciplined individual citizen in society, bringing concern to our environment through promoting the 5 R's, which includes recycle, restore, respect, by this notice, nothing is impossible. Let's start it in ourselves.
Many are called, but only few were chosen to do the noble job of teaching. Thus, I am proud of receiving the divine favor and calling of an educator. And as would be a teacher, I will support the advocacy of producing globally competitive individual equipped with 21st century skills, God-fearing and morally upright, who promotes advocacy of human dignity and respect every tribe and race. I will promote education for all because I want to help develop the young and bring them to reality and be the change that the world needs. I am proud being an educator. I will support the advocacy of producing globally competitive individuals, and I will promote education for all.
I believe in environment. I believe in conservation and preservation. I would encourage Mayor Amelita Ibasco to make some programs about environment. Environmental knowledge is something that all of us must share. But most importantly, we must teach the youth that this is something that we should instill in them, so that in the near future, they will be the ones to take care of our nation. Education is also one of the best solutions in our environment because children are those who have to preserve the earth for the future generations. But still, we all have a duty to make this municipality safer and cleaner place. To be whole, to be complete. Environment reminds us what it means to be human, what we are connected rather than what we are separated from. I love Bula. I'm proud of it. I will support the program and I will promote.
Hi everyone, let us preserve and protect the environment. My advocacy is about environmental awareness and ecotourism. With that, I would like to encourage everyone to have the proper disposal of waste and plant more trees. And as a public servant, I believe that we should educate and influence the youth by taking good care of the environment. Let us be responsible.
Isang malaking karangalan na maging bahagi na isa sa mga programa ng lokal na gobyerno ng Bayan ng Bula sa pagdiriwang ng taunang piyesta. Bilang isang kandidata ng Miss Bula 2017 at kinatawan ng Lubgan, ito na ang pagkakataon upang maipakilala ang aming barangay. Isa sa mga dinarayo tuwing summer ay ang aming barangay dahil matatagpuan ang nalalatakan. Dito ko ipapasok at gagawin ang aking personal na advokasya. Paano pananatilihin ang ganda at kalinisan ng nalalatakan? Una, makikipagpulong ako sa aming barangay official. Ipanukala nila ang magkaroon ng Tourist of Visitors Information Office. Pangalawa, magkaroon ng clean-up drive ang mga kabataan sa paligid ng falls at tutulong ako sa proper waste management segregation upang maiwasan ang anumang problema dulot ng basura, lalo na sa paligid ng nalalatakot. Lahat ng programa ng aming barangay, ako ay tutulong.
As a resident of Barangay San Agustin, wherein almost all of the people rely in cultivating soil and filling our dishes with nutritious crops and they harvest. One of the problems in agricultural system, not just in our barangay, but also of the whole municipality, is the lack of knowledge about modern farming. Up to the present, there are very few who adopt on this method. Instead, they still keep using the conventional one. Thus, I am willing to help the hard-working farmer in our barangay through seminars and workshops to equip them with knowledge that can use in the battlefield. With this, I know that the farmer in our municipality, especially the farmer in our barangay, can make a difference.
Glamour candidates as they parade themselves in their long gown competition. Candidate number 2. Candidate number 2 is from Barangay La Victoria, Jaisel B. Yanto. Once again, candidate number 2, Jaisel B. Yanto.
Next is candidate number 3, Shane Erica May Abonita from Barangay Pawili, Bula. Candidate number 3 is Shane Erica May Abonita from Barangay Pawili, Bula.
Candidate number 4 is from Barangay San Ramon, Bula, Kate Murillo. Candidate number 4, Kate Murillo, para Barangay San Ramon.
Up next on stage is candidate number 5, Loisa Cabal, from Barangay San Roque, Bula. Candidate number 5 is Miss Loisa Cabal from San Roque, Bula.
Candidate number 6 is Miss Charmaine Pasibe of Sagrada, Bula, Camarines Sur. Candidate number 6, Charmaine Pasibe.
Up next on stage is Miss Darlene Jane Plaza from Santo Domingo, Bula. Candidate number 7 is Miss Darlene Jane Plaza from Barangay Santo Domingo, Bula.
Candidate number 8 is Miss Hannah Louise Belza. Gentlemen, candidate number 8, Hannah Louise Belza of Barangay Palsong.
Next on stage is candidate number 9, Andrea Cruz from La Purísima. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 9 is Andrea Cruz from La Purísima.
Candidate number 10 is from Barangay Umbao, Pulpok, Miss Valerie Fabio. Ladies and gentlemen, from Barangay Ombao, Pulpog, Miss Valerie Fabio.
Next on stage is candidate number 11, Regina Perez from Barangay San Jose. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 11 is Miss Regina Perez from Barangay San Jose.
Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 12 is Miss Beverly Dacleson from Barangay Baguladio. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 12, Beverly Dacleson.
Candidate number 13 is Miss Angelica Razon from Barangay Lubgan. candidate number 13 is Miss Angelica Razon from Barangay Lucan.
Candidate number 14, Pauline Ayla Remiter from Barangay San Agustin. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 14, Miss Pauline Ayla Remiter of Barangay San Agustin.
Ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 1 is Miss Joanne Balagat from Barangay Itangon. And our 14 lovely candidates in their long gown. All right, a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, once again to our 14 lovely candidates and their long gown parade. All right.
Wow.
Glamour.
Very
Yes.
regal. Napawaw ako sa kanila. They're very beautiful. Huh?
And sabi mo, Barbs, kanina ay meron ka ng gustong, kumbaga, suotin na gown.
Yes, actually, I'm gonna plan. I do have a plan to buy that. Pero I think I'll be needing a lot of gigs before I'll be able to buy that kind of gown. Kasi
you will have.
Yes.
That's for sure.
Of course, palakpakan naman natin. Let's give a round of applause to their designers who made their gowns.
Yes. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to the designers and of course our candidates and their long gown tonight.
All right. And at this point of time, we will be giving out 2 awards. Actually, this is 2 minor awards: the Miss Talent and the Best in Play Suit.
All right, we'll have first the Miss Talent for this year's Miss Bula, and the presenters for Miss Talent are, we have for the sash, we have Mr. Virgilio Pontanal and Mrs. Maria B. Pontanal. For the bouquet, we have Mr. Ariel Amparado, and for the trophy, we have Mr. Danilo Relos. And for the cash, we have Mr. Engineer Catalino Tria Jr.
Last time we had the Miss Talent here, and we've chosen top 3 finalists for the Miss Talent. DJ?
The first is...
We'll be calling out the 3 finalists.
Top 3 finalists, yes,
the
all right.
top 3 finalists first for the Miss Talent. We have candidate number 8, candidate number 2, and candidate number 6. Now, these are our top 3 finalists for the Miss Talent of Miss Bula 2017.
All right, for the second runner-up. Second runner-up is... Sino? Sino sa tingin niyo yung mga nanood ng Miss Talent last time? Sino sa tingin niyo ang second runner-up, first, and the Miss Talent for this year's Miss Bula? Our second runner-up is... Candidate number 2. Second runner-up is candidate number 2 for Miss Talent. And same presenters to the first runner-up and the Miss Talent. And now it's between number 6 and candidate number 8. Who do you think is Miss Talent? Ano?
Sino?
Candidate number?
We only have 2
We'll find out right now. The first number that I'll be calling is the Miss Talent. All right. Miss Talent is candidate number. There you go, candidate number 8. You are Miss Talent for this year's Miss Bula. And the first runner-up is candidate number 6.
Parang awarding lang tayo, no?
Yes.
Alright.
Again, the best in talent or the Miss Talent is candidate number 8. Congratulations. And the first runner-up is candidate number 6. And the second runner-up for this year's Miss Talent is candidate number 2. And the Miss Talent for this year's Miss Bula will receive a cash prize worth 5,000 pesos in cash. Congratulations, Miss Talent, and you will receive a cash prize.
And our next award is the Best in Play Suit. For the Best in Play Suit, our presenters, Mr. Nelson Balyabar and Mrs. Camila Balyabar for the sash. For the bouquet, Engineer Francia Palmeda. And for the cash, Ms. Rashilda Kaya. Our Best in Play Suit.
Who's your best, ladies and gentlemen, for the Best in Play Suit?
Who's the sexiest tonight?
Of them all, yes.
Yes, of them all. The Best in Play Suit. Candidate number.
Sino? for Best in Play Suits.
Ang hina, candidate number...
Dito sa side na to, candidate number. Dito sa side. Who's your best? Candidate number? Alright, marami na, iba-iba ang...
Marami.
Yes, iba-iba ang
Actually,
napipili
they're
nila.
all sexy, but we've chosen the sexiest of them all.
Yeah.
Our best in play suit goes to candidate number 11.
Candidate number 11, you are Best in Play Suits. Congratulations.
Thank you and congratulations to all our winners, and of course thank you to our presenters. Now at this point, we will be having the toughest part
Yes.
of this segment, which is,
The candidates' views and opinion.
and of course, our candidates. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to remind everyone to please avoid unnecessary noise or any distractions that can affect our candidates while they're answering the questions. Anyway, our candidates can answer in any language they're comfortable with, may it be in Bicol, Tagalog, or English, as long as they're able to express themselves in the certain questions that we'll be giving out. And of course, if they need to be translated, we will do
Alright. Yes,
the
yes,
honor.
yes, yes.
But
That
of
would be
course,
fine, yes.
Ikaw na bahala sa Tagalog because I am not...
Or even in Korean or in Chinese, I can do that.
Oh, wow, okay. Okay, all right. So, here's what we're going to do. Doon tayo sa center siguro.
Sure. We'll do that.
Okay. Tayong tatlo. And your name, sir?
Peter.
Sir Peter. All right.
Alright, Barbs. Alright, the candidate will pick.
Number, I guess.
Yes.
A number and a picture will be shown. Tama po ba? Yes, a picture will be shown on screen and then they'll have to elaborate it. Okay, let's start off with candidate number
one.
Ladies, good luck. Good luck. Answer from the heart.
And that is number 6. Picture number 6.
Number 6.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. When it comes to my views and opinions about health, ang masasabi ko lamang po ay isa sa pinaka-importanteng aspeto ng ating buhay ang ating kalusugan. At sa tulong ng ating mga butihing konsehal at ng alkalde ng ating bayan, ay nagtutulong-tulong sila upang makagawa ng programa na kung saan tumutulong hindi lamang sa iisang tao, kundi sa buong lalawigan ng Bula. Ito ay naglalayo na mapabuti ang kalusugan ng tao dahil ang kalusugan ng tao ay bigay sa atin ng may kapal. Ayon nga sa sabi nila, health is wealth, kaya pangalagaan natin ang ating kalusugan dahil ito ay bigay sa atin ng may kapal. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you,
Thank
candidate
you.
number 1.
I'll take that. I'll
Happy
take that.
birthday.
Health is wealth, kuya. DJ Maki. All right. Okay, let's move on with our candidate number 2.
Alright, you pick one, candidate number 2, and your number is? Number 1.
Number 1.
and that is tourism.
Una po sa lahat, gusto kong bumati ng napakagandang gabi sa ating lupon ng Inampalan. Magandang gabi. Ano para sa inyo ang turismo? Turismo na matatagpuan na sa isang lugar, sa isang bansa, o sa buong mundo. Ang turismo ay dinadayo ng iba't ibang tao, mapagaling sa ibang bansa man, o lokal, o sosyal man. Ang turismo ay sumisimbolo ng pagkakaroon ng magandang kalikasan, tanawin, na kung saan maaaring ipagmalakis ng ating lahat. I will show the world, even the universe, that I am confidently, truly Bicolanos are Oragon. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 2.
Number 2. And she looks like one of our kapamilya before.
Yes, yes.
Si Ate Suzanne.
Suzanne, yes. She looks like Suzanne.
Yes, Suzanne Aguilar. And happen to be from Bula also.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Suzanne is from Bula also.
Suzanne Aguilar is from Bula.
All right.
So, yeah, kamukhaan niya nga, no? All right. Candidate number 3, please.
All right. Your number, candidate number 3. You pick number 14. And that is family.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ang nabunot ko po ay pamilya. Ma, pa, pamilya na laging nandyan para sa'yo. Pamilya na laging gumagabay para sa'yo. Pamilya na laging na hindi umaalis sa tabi mo. Talikuran ka man ng lahat, nandyan ang pamilya mo. Iwan ka man ng lahat, nandyan ang pamilya mo. Hindi mawawala ang pamilya mo dahil sila ang number 1 na nagmamahal sa'yo at nag-aaruga sa'yo. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you. Candidate number 3. Next is candidate number 4.
Okay.
You'll pick one number. Take a deep breath and relax. Number 2. All right. And that is advocacy.
Good evening. The Philippines have ranked 1 as to the number of teenage pregnancies unto the ASEAN countries. With these alarming statistics, I would like to be of help with my municipality. My advocacy is RISE, which stands for RYSE, which means Rising Youth for Sustainable Education, which focus on educating our youth of today on the importance of HIV and AIDS, which I believe is a very serious problem that we need to address. Also, the teenage pregnancy that I believe here in the Philippines, we have the highest number of teenage who have been pregnant. And also the mental health awareness, which is a fight against depression. I believe that if all people of Bula or if all individuals of Bula are well equipped with an in-depth knowledge, then we can be able to prosper, and at the same time, with my advocacy, I believe that we can be able to prevent the teenage pregnancy, and at the same time, the municipality, our Bula, will prosper. Thank you.
Thank you. Candidate number 4, very well said.
All right.
Advocacy.
Next is candidate number 5. You pick one. And that is number 7. And number 7. That is education.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Education. Napaka-importante ng edukasyon sa ating lahat. Unang-una, ang edukasyon ang magdadala sa atin sa kaginhawaan, lalong-lalo na sa kaunlaran ng ating bayan. Ang edukasyon lamang ang madadala natin, lalong-lalo na sa pagtanda, dahil ang edukasyon, ang pamana sa atin ng pamilya, Pamana sa atin ng pamilya, dahil ang edukasyon ang pinaka-importante sa ating buhay. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you, candidate number 5. Let's move on with candidate number 6.
Candidate number 6, you picked one. That is number 4. And that is
People.
people.
Good evening. One of the peculiar traits of Bulaeños, which we must be proud of, are the following. First, we are empowered. Second, we are resilient. And third, we are God-loving. First, being unempowered. Bulaeños are empowered in a sense that we would able to make tough decisions which are beneficial to the rights and rights of people. Second, we are resilient because whatever circumstances might be, we are able to uplift ourselves and smile with positivity. And lastly, we are God-loving because whatever any circumstances might be, we never forgotten that God is within us and thank God for all the blessings He showered us every day. And that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you. Candidate number 6.
Next, candidate number 7.
Number 10. Number 10.
Religious activities.
Thank you so much. One of the traits that the Bulaeños have is the God-fearing people and the religious people. Our church, the important contribution that the church is giving to us is the Eucharist, the feeding of the spiritual body through the bread of life. So the people of Bula, let's be close with God and don't lose hope. Thank you so much.
Thank you, candidate number 7. That ends our first batch of candidates for the Q&A.
Yes, for the candidates' views and opinions.
Thank you.
Thank you, ladies.
Let's call in our second batch from numbers 8 to 14. Let's start with candidate number 8. You picked number 12.
And that is climate change.
Climate change is happening because of the lack of discipline of people. We like to throw garbage anywhere. We don't give importance in proper waste disposal. We're not going to separate biodegradable from non-biodegradable. As an advocate, we, the younger generation, are the hope of our motherland. We should practice proper waste disposal. We should segregate biodegradable from non-biodegradable. We should value all the things that God has given us. This climate change is happening because we don't give importance of all the blessings that God has given us. But the youth, our constituents, it is not too late. Let's take a move, instill the value of discipline and obedience, and by means of this, we can make a change and we will improve our environment. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 8. Candidate number 9.
And that is number 5.
Political leaders.
Political leaders, sila yung mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan natin ng ating mga boto para sa pag-unlad ng ating bayan. Sila din yung pinagkakatiwalaan natin para matulungan tayo sa lahat ng mga kailangan sa ating lipunan para gumanda ang ating bayan. Yun lamang po, maraming salamat.
Thank you, candidate number 9. Next is candidate number 10. And you pick number 11.
Town Fiesta.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Town Fiesta. Ito ay ating diniriwang sa ngayon. Sa darating na sa 22 ay isineselebrate natin ang Saint Mary Magdalene. Si Saint Mary Magdalene ang nagbibigay kung paano natin ipagdiriwang ang kaarawan niya. Siya ang nagbibigay sa atin ng kasiyahan sa ngayon dito sa Bula. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you, candidate number 10. And next,
Candidate
the
number
views and opinion,
11.
candidate number 11. Number 3.
Number 3. She's very quirky.
That's my favorite number.
Oh, number 3. Youth.
Youth.
Thank you. For the benefit of everyone, I will answer it in Tagalog. May I, sir? May I? Thank you. Ang kabataan, ang isa sa pinakamalakas at pinakamakapangyarihan na meron ng mundo. Dahil sila ang pinaniniwalaan na magtataguyod sa kung anumang meron tayo ngayon. Bilang isang kabataan ngayon, papakita ko ang aking talento at lahat ng meron ako sa gabing ito, hindi lamang sa gabing ito, ngunit sa mga susunod pang araw, upang ipakita hindi lamang sa Bula, sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo, ang ganda na meron ang ating bayan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, candidate number 11. Next.
Candidate number 12.
You pick number 8. And that is environment.
Environment.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Environment is a natural world. Let us preserve and protect the environment. Environment cannot live alone with the humanity. Environment is very important. Through environment, we'll be able to have a good surroundings. So let us protect and preserve the environment, because I believe that the environment is a key for us to have a good surroundings, and we will be having a better life in the future. So let us preserve, protect the environment, and always remember the 5 R's: reduce, recycle, reuse, restore, and respect. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 12. Next.
Candidate number 13.
And you pick number 9.
Tourism site and landmarks.
Tourism sites and landmarks. Lahat tayo ay pinagmamalaki ang ating tourism site and landmarks. Dahil dito tayo dinarayo ng mga turismo. Ating ipagmalaki dahil ito ang bigay ng Panginoon, likha, ating
pagyamanin ang bigay ng Panginoon. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank
you. Candidate number 13. And the last but not the least is candidate number 14. You are beautiful, candidate number 13. And you pick number 13. And that is peace.
Good evening, everyone. So, peace. Ang peace ay ang siyang nag-unite sa ating lahat. Katulad nitong gabing ito, tayo ay nagkakaisa sa isang event na ito. Tayo ay nagkakasiya sa gabing ito. Tayo ay nagbibigay ng kaligayahan at kagandahan sa mata ng mga tao. So, I believe that giving love is the start of peace. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 14. And that concludes our candidates' views and opinion.
Yes. Wow.
Thank you, ladies, and we'll see you later.
Very witty ladies. Thank you for sharing your opinion about our about certain matters, and that is actually enlightening.
All right, and we'll be calling back on stage
The first batch
yes.
from candidates number 1 to 7.
Yes, and ladies,
candidates 1 to 7, please.
that is from number 1, candidate number 1, to candidate number 7.
Unless otherwise, these are now the top 7. I'm just kidding.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Please give a round of applause once again to our lovely candidates for their views and opinions.
And now, to serenade them,
Before the serenade, of course, we have to award the best in long gown.
okay, for the best in long gown, our presenters are Dr. Mylene Emilia for the sash, for the bouquet, Miss Michelle Decena, and for the cash, Mr. Franco Haliare.
And the best in long gown is Sino?
The regal of them all.
Yes.
The most elegant of them all.
I want to hear your voice once again, ladies and gentlemen. Who is your bet for best in long gown? Candidate number?
Candidate number?
All right, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. The best in long gown is candidate number 11. With a garnered score of 95.40%, best in long gown is candidate number 11. Congratulations, candidate number 11. You are best in long gown for this year's Miss Bula. Thank you, sir, ma'am, and congratulations once again, candidate number 11, for you are the best in long gown for this year's Miss Bula.
Miss Bula 2017. All right. And now, at this point, our ladies will be serenaded by one of our Miss Bula 2017 performers.
cover speech.
Araw-araw ikaw ang gusto kong kasama. Buhay ko'y kumpleto na tuwing nandito ka sa tabi ko, aking giliw. Di pa din ako makapaniwala ng dati kong pangarap nagkatotohanan na. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon, at basta nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban. Para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, pagmamahal ko sa'yo'y tapat. Para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Minuto naghihintay ng tawag mo, marinig lang boses mo. Masaya't kontento na ako, wala nang iba pang hanapin. Basta't ikaw ang aking kapiling, lahat magagawa dahil kasama ka. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon, at basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban. Para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, pagmamahal ko sa'yo'y tapat. Para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Pinagdarasal ko ng sobrang sanay, tanggapin mo aking inaalay. Napasasalamat sa paniniwala na buhay kong ito na dati-rati di ganito na kaligaya. Oh, tanggapin ang regalo, oh, mga rosas at choco. Iliwanag din ang buhay mo pag nilabas mo na ang puso ko. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon sa bawat araw na harapin. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban. Para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, pagmamahal ko sa'yo'y tapat. Para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya.
Thank you, Richard. And again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to our 14 lovely candidates in their long gown. Thank you, ladies, and we'll see you later. And soon we'll find out who will be in the next round.
Janela, sente o sol. Madalena, não chora, vem brincar, sentir calor. Madalena, Madalena, abre janela, sente o sol. Madalena, não chora, vem brincar, sentir calor. Madalena, Madalena, abre janela, sente o sol. Madalena, não chora, vem brincar, sentir calor. Madalena, Madalena, abre janela, sente o sol. Madalena, não chora, vem brincar, sentir calor. Vem brincar, sentir calor.
All right.
We will be thanking this long list of
All right, the working committees, the sponsors, and other special persons to be thankful for.
Of course, the Miss Bula 2017 headed by the Honorable Mayor Amelita Ibasco, Honorable Vice Mayor Moises Soreta,
And we have Honorable Glenn Henyo, and we have Honorable Gail Kanat, Honorable Ray Dicena.
Honorable Claro Balyebar,
We have Honorable Sergio Hombre,
Honorable Edna Mora,
Honorable Maria Katrina Malaniaon.
Honorable Edgar Aguila,
We have Honorable Ariel T. Bismonte.
Honorable Nelly Largo, Dr. Antonio Raluta,
Mr. Manuel Ibasco Jr.,
Dr. Maylene Emilia,
we have Mr. Carlos Pontanal, Mrs. Mary Ann Pragata,
Mrs. Nimia Chavez, Mr. Danilo Relos,
and we have Engineer Catalino Tria Jr.,
Dr. Mary Ruth Paro,
we have Engineer John Antioquia,
Mrs. Herminia Anciano,
and we have Mrs. Annie Bona,
Engineer Mindaluz Largo,
Mrs. Maria B. Pontanal,
Engineer Francia Palmeda,
Mr. Isagane Rania,
Mr. Nelson Balyebar,
Mr. Peter Avila,
Police Superintendent Dino Ben Regaspi,
we have SF4 Jeremias Mota,
Dr. Gina Luz Alfilor,
we have Mr. Vicente Sirio V. Lanzuela,
Dr. Salvacion Largo,
we have Reverend Father Jaime Danilo Viola,
Mr. Rosendo Valles,
we have Mrs. Ana Marie Risonto,
Mrs. Emma Aliorde,
we have Mrs. Mency Madrid,
Mr. Gregorio Pontanal,
we have Mr. Harley Balyebar,
Mr. Oriel Amparado,
and we have Mr. Engineer Ian Owen Rania.
And of course, we would like to thank our major and minor sponsors, headed by the local government unit of Bula,
Mr. Corky and Mrs. Nida Palmeda Perez and family,
Governor Mix Villafuerte, Province of Camarines Sur,
Honorable Amelita Ibasco and family,
Congressman Salvio Fortuno,
Vice Governor Fortunato Peña,
Board Member Butch Figuracion,
we have the Land Bank of the Philippines, Pili Branch,
Director Francisco and Dr. Maylene Villa and family,
we have the Unilever Philippines,
IMJ Interactive,
Youthful Facial Care,
MSE,
and we have AIM Global.
Now for the minor sponsors,
We have UCPB, Union Coconut Planters Bank.
Veterans Bank, Naga City,
We have Cabanel Builders, Valenzuela, Bula, Camarines Sur.
Rique Bicaldo of Santa Elena, Bula, Camarines Sur,
And we have Mary Jane Espirito Saito, Fabrica, Bula, Camarines Sur.
Michelle Mejaro Yaban of San Miguel, Bula, Camarines
We have
Sur,
Miss Eden Bahado Acabado of San Jose, Bula, Camarines Sur.
Dr. Mary Ruth Paro,
And we have Mr. Dane Relos, HRMO.
Miss Marian and Reggie Halyare of Cantas Air, Australia and Melbourne, Australia.
And we have board member Emmanuel Noble.
All right, that concludes our major thank you to all of you who sponsored this event. And of
Alright.
course, to our beloved Municipal Mayor Amelita Ibasco, thank you so much for a very supportive mayor of Bula, Camarines Sur. And of course, to the people who are still here with us, thank you so much. And of course, to our panel of judges, thank you so much. And to Sir Art. Thank you
Yes,
so
Sir Art,
much.
maraming salamat po for having us, for inviting
Yes,
us
thank you
today.
so
And of
much.
course, our board of judges who are having hard
Yes.
time this time as they choose or they picked
The
who belongs to the top
Top
7, I
seven.
guess.
Top 7 of Miss Bula 2017. And of course, the production staff, thank you so much for coming over and for helping us for tonight's event. And now, let's call in once again the ladies candidates as we announce the top 7 finalists. May we request once again on stage the 14 lovely candidates for Miss Bula 2017.
All right. And this time, we're going to announce the top 7 who will advance to the next round of this competition.
Yes, and of course we will be having another round of question and answer portion, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, that is right, Barbie.
Yes, all right.
After we announce or after we pick the top 7 finalists for this year's Miss Bula, we'll have the question and answer portion.
Yes.
And next to that is the traditional farewell walk.
Alam mo, DJ Maki, nakakatuwa lang because one of the residents of Bula, sabi ko nga si Ate Suzanne.
Yes.
Miss Suzanne Aguilar of the former MagTV host of ABS-CBN, she came from Bula.
Right.
And she also joined a lot of beauty pageants before, and she won Miss Kaogma 20-something. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna mention the year, but you know what I'm saying is that maybe one of these ladies, they will represent Bula in maybe a regional or national beauty pageant.
Why not, diba?
Or maybe join like ABS-CBN, diba?
Why not?
So Ate Suzanne did.
So we have here now the top 7 candidates who belongs to or who will compete for the next round. And
so ladies, good luck, and you're already winners.
All right. So this is in no particular order.
Are you ready, Bula? Our top 7 will start off with candidate number.
Sino? Who do you think will advance to the next round for this year's Miss Bula?
In no particular order, candidate number 5.
Candidate number 5, congratulations. You will advance to the next round.
I want a song, I want a party, I want a song, I want a party.
Next,
and live my life.
You will join her candidate number 3.
All right, candidate number 3.
Maybe tonight is your lucky night. Candidate number 7.
Candidate number 7.
Next, join them. Candidate number 8.
Candidate number 8, you belong to the top 7.
Next, candidate number.
Sino?
Candidate number 4.
Candidate number 4, you will advance to the next round. Congratulations.
And now, 2 ladies.
2 spots left, and we still have 9 more ladies.
Yes.
But we only have 2 more spots left.
And that's 6th spot belongs to you. Candidate number.
Who's your bet to be in the next round?
Candidate number 11.
Candidate number 11, you are our 6th finalist. And we still have
1 spot left.
And only 8 ladies. Sino ang sa tingin nyo ang kukumpleto sa 7 finalists?
Sino?
Bula, isigaw nyo na kung sino gusto nyo pumasok.
Sino? Candidate number
6! Candidate number 6, you completed just the top 7 finalists. Ladies, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Job well done, ladies. Thank you. Alam
There
mo,
you have
Barbie.
it, ladies and gentlemen, our top 7 finalists.
All right, there you go, Barbie. As you can see, the other candidates are just giving their congratulations to the top 7. Makikita mo talaga kung gaano sila, di ba, ka-close or friendly sa bawat isa.
Yes. And yun naman talaga yung goal ng every beauty pageant.
All right.
To gain a lot of friends and,
All
knowledge
right.
from them, know their culture.
This is more than the competition.
Yes.
Yes, it's beyond.
Beyond competition. All right.
All right, ladies, can you please take how many backward steps? 3. All right.
Okay.
And again, ladies and gentlemen, we have our top 7 finalists. First, we have the candidate number 5. Candidate number 3, candidate number 7, candidate number 8, candidate number 4, candidate number 11, and candidate number 6.
All right. Good luck to you, ladies. This is the time that you have to give out your best. Give us your best in everything.
Yes, yes.
Lahat.
Your best shot. You have to give your best shots.
Best smile, best pose, and the best answer that you can give the Bulaeños
You know
and
what,
the judges.
Yes, that is right, Barbie. You know what? For our candidates, they just have to, take a deep breath, relax, diba? And
Pray.
And pray.
And pray. That's the only thing that I did kapag meron nung sa beauty pageant.
All right.
Wala.
When confused,
Pray.
you pray.
Of course.
All right. For our question and answer round.
For the question and answer portion, may we ask the organizer, please? Smile, ladies. Okay, once again, they'll be picking a number.
All right. With questions, I guess.
Questions.
Or I guess it's with the judges.
Yes.
We'll find out
We'll
soon.
find out. Okay, I guess it's gonna be the judges. Judges number. And then the judges will ask the question. Am I right, Sir Peter? Okay, so we're right. The judges will be the one to ask the question from to our candidates. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to request of all of you to please
Yes.
refrain from making unnecessary noise or distractions that can affect our candidates while they're answering the question.
All right. And Barbie, our judges will start with judge number 1 from our left. So, ma'am, you'll be the judge number 1. Sir, you'll be the judge number 2. And the middle is number 3. And ma'am, you're number 4. And ma'am, and you're number 5. All right.
All right.
So, there you go.
Let's
We'll have
move.
first our candidate number 5.
Let's move here. The middle. Okay.
All right. You pick the number of our judges. Judge number 1.
Judge number 1.
Good evening. Pwede mo ding simbagon sa Tagalog, Rinconada, kung sari ka mas komportable. Kung ikang-1 ako kurunahan bilang Miss Bula 2017, paano mo maipababayad or maipapakita ang pagtabang mo sa komunidad para mapataas a dignidad and moralidad kaparyo mo kahubinan?
Thank you po. Well, kung ako man po ang minggana sa di pageant na adi, gusto ko po, at una ko pong gigibuhon, unang-una, migtabang po ako sa mga municipal official po na mapalawak at matulungan kung paano mapalawak ang paano matulungan ang ang ating komunidad para tumaas ang kakayahan ng ibang tao na yun lamang po.
Thank you, candidate number 5. We'll ask our candidates, the judges. Lahat po kayo, ma'am, nakaintindi po ng Rinconada, sir? Lahat
Sir.
po, ma'am,
Yes.
Rinconada?
Ikaw lang yatang hindi eh.
Yes, ma'am.
O, naiintindihan.
Everyone.
Everyone.
Alright.
Ikaw lang yatang hindi eh.
Nakakintindi ako ng konti, pero hindi ako nakakapagsalita.
Ako
I mean, konti lang din.
nakakapagsalita ako.
Alright. Alright. Alright.
Alright. Let's move on with candidate number 3.
3. Candidate number 3. And you picked judge number 5. Your question, ma'am.
This is my question. In what way the beauty contest help the women?
Please repeat the question, ma'am.
In what way do beauty contests help the women?
Sa beauty contest po, kagaya po ng Miss Bula, natutulungan po ang bawat kababaihan para po mapalakas ang kanilang loob at para po mawala ang kanilang mga hiya. At natutulungan rin po ito dahil sa self-esteem at napapaunlad po nito ang kanilang pagkatao na kung saan ito po ay nakakatulong sa kanila sa kanilang pang-araw-araw na buhay. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you, candidate number 3. Next is we have candidate number 7. And you pick judge number?
2.
Judge number 2.
Good evening, candidate number 7.
Good
How are
evening,
you?
sir.
How are you?
I'm good.
Are you nervous?
A bit.
Okay. So my question is like this. For you, what is your idea of happiness and success? What is your idea about happiness and success?
Thank you so much. Success for me is if you are happy, success for me is if you do your best in order for that thing, and if you achieve that, you'll be successful. And happiness po, nakukuha po ang happiness kapag, nakukuha po ang happiness kapag gusto mo po ang iyong ginagawa. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you, candidate number 7. Next, we have candidate number 8.
Judge number 4.
Judge number 4. Ma'am, your question, please.
Candidate number 8, kung sakaling manalo ka bilang Miss Bula 2017,
ano ang maitutulong mo sa development ng Bula?
Ma'am, pakiulit po.
Halimbawa, manalo ka ngayong gabi, no? Nanalo ka Miss Bula. Ano ang maitutulong mo sa development ng Bula?
Kung ako po ay mananalo bilang Miss Bula 2017 ngayong gabi, alam naman natin na isa sa problema sa ating bayan ay ang mga pakalat-kalat na basura. Nakikita natin na pinaghahalo natin ang mga nabubulok sa di nabubulok. Ang maitutulong ko ngayon sa ating bayan ay makikipag-usap ako o makikikooperate ako sa mga barangay officials or municipal officials nang sa ganon ay mag-implement sila ng mga programa kung saan ito ay may layuning mapaganda ang ating bayan. Partikular na ang pangangalaga ng ating environment. Dahil alam naman natin na ang kalikasan ay isa sa mga nakakaapekto sa ating buhay. Nang ganon, pwede nating simulan ito sa clean-up drive, tree planting, o kahit simulan natin sa pagsasagawa ng 5 Rs kung saan ito ang reduce, reuse, recycle, respect, and restore. At dahil doon, kaya nating itayo ang bandera ng Bula at kaya nating maipagmalaki ang bayan ng Bula hindi lang sa Pilipinas kundi sa ibang bansa. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Candidate number 8. Next is we have candidate number 4.
Judge number 3.
Hello. How are you, candidate number 4?
It feels like my heart is going out of my chest already.
Okay. Take a deep breath. Okay? Listen. Here is your question. With the prevalence of the technology in the millennial generation, where social media is very eminent, do you think that social media has helped in our society? I'll repeat. With the prevalence of the technology in the millennial generation, where social media is eminent, do you think that social media has helped in our society?
Thank you. Social media is one of the most powerful platform for us to be able to share our experiences, our stories, and the things that we feel about a particular thing or an experience. I believe that social media has helped our municipality, especially in Bula, that this becomes the platform of how we promote the tourism industry of our municipality, our cultural diversity, our traditions, our festivals that had happened here in the society. I believe that social media, I as a person has helped me to boost my self-esteem. It's not just about the likes or the comments or the particular number or increasing number of a lot of number of likes on social media, but I do think that it's about how you share to other people your wonderful experience about a certain thing. And I myself had been a proof to that, because I also share my experiences in my hometown, Bula. I believe that if we continue to sharing to people our experiences into a particular thing, we can be able to spread our positivity, then once again, our municipality will once prosper and continue to rage with colorful celebrations of victory. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 14. Next, number 4 rather, is candidate number 11. Number 2.
Okay, good evening, candidate number 11. So your question is, which quality of women gives them an edge over men? I repeat, which quality of women gives them an edge over men?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Once again, I will answer it in Tagalog for the benefit of everyone. Siguro po kung meron mang bagay na meron yung babae na hindi kaya gawin ng lalaki, unang-una is to give birth. Aside from that, tayong mga babae, we can also join beauty pageants like this. Itong beauty pageant na to, isa to sa pinakamalalaking bagay na kayang uminspira sa marami pang tao, marami pang kabataan na nangangarap maging katulad din namin. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 11. We have candidate number 6.
Judge number 1, please.
Judge number 1.
Good evening.
Good evening po.
Henry Conado ulit. Uno, opinion mo sa national issue sa extrajudicial killing?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I'm not into the extrajudicial killing. First and foremost, killing is one of the most, killing is one commandments in the 10 commandments. First, you shall not kill. And I believe that life is very important, and we have no rights to take it to others, and we have the power to avoid or depart to the decisions of our President Duterte. Extrajudicial killing is a big no-no to our society because I believe that God or that life is one of the most precious gifts that God has given us. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 6. And ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our question and answer portion for this round.
Top 7 finalists. And now, thank you, ladies. We will see you later. Breathe. And now, at this moment, we will again see our 2016 Miss Bula. Ladies and gentlemen, for her traditional farewell walk, please welcome on stage Miss Ricky May Moreno, Miss Bula 2016.
Being crowned Miss Bula 2016 seems like a dream to me. I know that I have grown as a person with more compassion and with experiences. I'm truly happy to return to the place where my journey began. Tonight, I am about to close this beautiful chapter in my life. I'm extremely grateful to all the people who have stood by me throughout my journey. To our Mayor Honorable Amelita A. Ibasco, to our Tourism Officer Designate Menchi A. Madrid, to our Barangay Captain of Salvacion Ernesto Balyabar, to our Pageant Director Quintin N. Breboneria Jr. and his staff, to my makeup artist and talent manager Peter Conde, to my ninong Peter Avila, to my father, my mother, relatives and friends, to the people of Barangay Salvacion and of Barangay San Jose, to my fellow candidates during that time, I would like to express my gratitude to the memories we have shared. To the judges who have looked onto me with so much kindness, support, and trusted me with confidence to give to me the most coveted title, and to the beautiful people of Bula, I say thank you very much. To this night's contestants, always remember that all of you are winners in your hearts. Always keep a smile on your face and have hope in everything that you do. To my successor, always remember to put your crown in your heart as you do your duties as the newly crowned queen. Never forget the place where you started your journey, and always look back and show gratitude to the people who loved and supported you. Lastly, never forget that God Almighty, who made all these things possible. Always have faith in Him and He will ensure you success. Once again, thank you to everyone.
And thank you, Miss Ricky May, our Miss Bula 2016. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Bula 2016, Miss Ricky May Moreno.
All right. Barbie will, this time, will be awarding the Certificate of Appreciation to the Board of Judges.
Who also gave us your time and effort for choosing our Miss Bula 2017. So thank you so much, and may we request for the plaque of appreciation. We would also like to request Honorable Amelita Ibasco. Please, Honorable Amelita Ibasco, the Municipal Mayor, please, to award the Certificate of Appreciation to our Board of Judges. Together with the Vice Mayor. All right, nandito si Sir. Vice Mayor Moises. Alright, I would just like to read the citation. The Republic of the Philippines Local Government Unit of Bula, Camarines Sur presents this certificate of appreciation to, in sincere expression of gratitude for the invaluable cooperation, participation, and unselfish assistance as Chairman of the Board of Judges of Miss Bula 2017, held in connection with the 439th Feast Day celebration of the town's patroness, Saint Mary Magdalene. Given at Bula, Camarines Sur this 19th day of July 2017, signed Amelita A. Ibasco, Municipal Mayor, overall Chairperson. This certificate of appreciation is hereby given to Mr. Joel Reginales.
And next we have Felisa G. Tabornal as member of the Board of Judges of Miss Bula 2017.
Mr. Javier Avestruz as member of the Board of Judges.
Another certificate of appreciation is given to Jeanette Guevara as member of the Board of Judges of Miss Bula 2017.
Last but not the least, to Ms. Salvacion Gladys San Joaquin as member of the Board of Judges for Miss Bula 2017.
Once again, judges, maraming salamat po. Thank you,
din po.
Mayor and Vice Mayor. Maraming
Moises,
salamat
thank
po.
you so much po.
And at this time, Barbs, tawagin naman natin ang lahat ng ating mga candidates to be here once again on stage for the awarding of certificates.
And of course, aside from the plaque of participation that will be given to our candidates, they will be given a from Unilever Philippines a gift pack worth 1,000 pesos each.
All right.
So in behalf of Mr. Sonny Vivandor, may we have Mrs. Felisa Tabornal to present the gift packs from Unilever, please. And of course, once again, Mayor, Vice Mayor, please, at the middle, join us.
All right, let me read the citation because this is different. Republic of the Philippines Local Government Unit of Bula, Bula, Camarines Sur presents the Certificate of Appreciation to, in sincere expression of gratitude for the invaluable cooperation, participation, and unselfish assistance as official candidate of Miss Bula 2017, held in connection with the 439th Feast Day celebration of Town's Patroness, Saint Mary Magdalene, given at Bula, Camarines Sur this 19th day of July 2017, signed Amelita A. Ibasco, Municipal Mayor, overall Chairperson. And their certificate of appreciation is given to Ms. Joanne Balagat.
And next is Jaisel Yaso, artificial candidate of Miss Bula 2017.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Next to Miss Shane Erica May Abonita.
Next is Miss Kate Morillo.
And to Miss Loisa Cabal.
appreciation is given to Miss Charmaine Pasibe as official candidate of Miss Bula 2017.
And another certificate of appreciation to Miss Darlene Jane Plaza.
Next, we have Hannah Louise Belza. Next is Andrea Cruz, official candidate of Miss Bula 2017. We have Valerie Fabio. Next, we have Regina Perez. Beverly Daclason. Next is Angelica Razon. Angelica Razon. Angelica. Pauline Ira Rimiter.
We will be also giving special award to our host for tonight. Local Government Unit of Bula present this certificate of appreciation to Miss Barbie Risoles. In sincere expression of gratitude for the invaluable cooperation, participation, and unselfish assistance as host of Miss Bula 2017, held in connection with the 439th Feast Day celebration of the town's patroness, Saint Mary Magdalene, given at Bula, Camarines Sur this 19th day of July 2017, signed by our Honorable Mayor, Amelita A. Ibasco, overall chairperson. The same certificate of appreciation is given to Mr. Maki Macho. Certificate of appreciation is also given to Mr. Art Imbate as Pageant Director of Miss Bula 2017.
Thank you, Sir R. Thank you,
so
Mayor.
much po for having us here, and thank you for this. When I was a kid, they actually I was being bullied as tangkay, as bamboo.
Alright.
This is yan.
Alright, diba? Ito yung hinahangad mo na ibigay na sa atin.
Naibigay na sa atin. Maraming salamat po. And of course, we would like to request Miss Felisa Tabornal to present or to give the gift packs in behalf of Mr. Sonny Vivandor of Unilever Philippines. From Bula, okay? Andito po ma'am yung mga gift packs. And each gift pack is worth 1,000 pesos of products from Unilever.
Alright, maraming salamat po, Unilever Philippines. Thank you so much. And we'll be giving all candidates a gift pack from Unilever.
Who's that sexy thing I see over there? That's me, standing in the mirror. What's that icy thing hanging around my neck? That's gold. Show me some respect. Oh, I thank God every day that I woke up feeling this way.
Alright, thank you, Mom.
Thank you so much, ma'am. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Andyan pa ba kayo?
Alright.
Because in a while, we will be awarding the Miss Bula 2017. Are you ready? Once again, we would like to ask or to request the top 7 to please come forward. The top 7, please. All right. Let's take a look. One last look to our top 7 for Miss Bula 2017, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, as we announce the new Miss Bula.
Do we have Do we have all right. Okay. We're still tabulating it. So ayan. Ladies, for your plaque of or for the plaque, you can actually give that to your talent handler, number 7. You can give that to your talent handler first. Talent handler out, number 7. Please send it.
All right, yes. Candidate number 7.
For the plaque of appreciation.
Yes. Can somebody get muna the certificate?
Ito lang naman, di ba? Nakakatuwa lang because after this pageant, lahat sila friends.
Yes.
And of course, not only the candidates, but the talent scouts, the managers. So,
Thank you. And of course, we have also Barbie to thank our tabulators, our official tabulators for this year's Miss Bula. We have Engineer Mindaluz Largo.
Miss Donna Hardinel Martirez.
And we have Engineer Ian Owen Rania.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
po.
Of course,
for tabulating the scores of the candidates from the very beginning of this program until the very last segment.
You got what I want. You got what I want.
All right.
You got what I want. You got what I want.
Thank you so much,
got
Sir
what I
Peter.
You got what I want.
And of course, Miss
You got
Ricky
what I
May
want.
Morena is also
You got what I
here.
want. You got what I want.
I have now
What I want. You got what I want. You
The
got what I
winners.
want. You got what I want. You got what I
The
want.
list of our
You
winners.
got what I want. You got what I want.
Bula, are you ready to know? Are you ready to welcome your new queen? All right. Let's start off with our third runner-up to present the award for the sash. We have Honorable Edgar Aguila, Mrs. Elsa Aguila, and for the bouquet, Engineer Mindaluz Largo. For the trophy, Mr. Isagani Rana. For the cash, Mr. Peter Avila. And for the crown, Honorable Ray Desena and Mrs. Michelle Desena.
And Barbie will be also awarding the Miss Youthful Facial Care. We have for Miss Bula Tourism and Miss Bula 2017. And also will be giving a gift certificate worth 18,000
Wow.
for Miss Bula and gift certificate worth 10,000 for Miss Bula Tourism. And of course, gift certificates for the 5 finalists.
All right, for the 5 finalists.
All right.
Okay, for the third runner-up. Our top 5 finalists are entitled for an honorary member on 2018. So for the top 5 finalists, for the winners actually, for the runners-up, and of
Wow.
course the winners for
Alright.
tonight's event.
Congratulations in advance.
In advance, yes.
Alright.
Actually, ang dami nilang yung uwi ngayon. Okay, for our third runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, your third runner-up for Miss Bula 2017 goes to candidate number... Candidate number 7!
Candidate number 7, you are third runner-up for this year's Miss Bula. Congratulations. Once again, congratulations, candidate number 7. Second runner-up. And to hand over the award for the sash, we have Honorable Claro Balyabar and Mrs. Josie Balyabar. For the bouquet, we have Dr. Maylene Milia. And for the trophy, we have Indra Chan Antioquia. And we have for the cash, Dr. Mary Ruth Paro. And for the crown, we have Honorable Sergio Hombre and Mrs. Tessie Hombre. For the second runner-up. Second runner-up is candidate number 8. Congratulations, candidate number 8. You are second runner-up. You know what, Barbie? We still have 5 ladies left, but we only have 3 places. The first runner-up, the Miss Bula Tourism,
and of course the
the
title
Miss Bula,
holder.
yes, 2017.
So good luck to you, ladies.
Ladies, good luck. Our first runner-up.
Our first runner-up, awards to be presented by Dr. Antonio Raluta and Mrs. Donna Raluta for the sash. For the bouquet, Honorable Maria Katrina Malenyaon. For the trophy, Dr. Gina Luz Alfilor. For the cash, Mrs. Mary Ann Pragata. And for the crown, Honorable Edna Mora and Mr. Ferdinand Aguilar. For our first runner-up,
You know what, Barbie? Sobrang importante yung role ng first runner-up, diba?
yes, of course.
For any reason, our 2 title holders cannot fulfill their duties and responsibilities.
The first runner-up,
Will take over.
yes.
All right.
So good luck to the first runner-up. Okay. Our first runner-up goes to candidate number.
Who's your bets? First runner-up for this year's Miss Bula is...
First runner-up. Sino? Candidate number 6.
Your first runner-up for this year's Miss Bula. Congratulations. Again, congratulations, candidate number 6. You are this year's first runner-up for Miss Bula. Thank you.
We still have how many? 4 ladies waiting for the results.
Yes.
And we still have our audience. And thank you so much. We only have 2 titles for tonight. And that is
Miss Bula Tourism 2017.
and Miss Bula 2017.
And to hand over the award for the Miss Bula Tourism 2017 is Honorable Glenn Henyo and Mrs. Maricel Henyo. For the sash and for the bouquet, we have Mrs. Mency Majid. And for the trophy, we have Mr. Harley Belyabar. And for the cash, we have Mrs. Nimia Chavez. And for the crown, we have Honorable Moises P. Soreta, our Vice Mayor. And the Miss Bula Tourism 2017 is... Who do you think is Miss Tourism Bula 2017? Sino? Candidate number? Here we go. You are Miss Bula Tourism 2017 candidate number 11. 2017. Congratulations. And we still have 3 ladies left. And only 1 crown is at stake. Who will be this year's Miss Bula? We'll find out a bit later. And the Miss Bula Tourism 2017 will receive a Miss Youthful Facial Care, and she will receive a gift certificate worth 10,000 pesos for Miss Bula Tourism 2017. Again, congratulations, candidate number 11.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have candidates number 3, 4, and 5.
Can we ask the 3 ladies to please come forward? Ladies, one of you will bring home the crown.
But before that, to hand over the awards for the sash, we have Honorable Gail Canet and Mrs. Joyce Canet. For the bouquet, Miss Orlean Ibasco. For the trophy, Mr. Greg Puntanal. For the cash, Mrs. Herminia Anciano. For the crown, Honorable Amelita Ibasco, Municipal Mayor, and Mr. Manuel Ibasco Jr.
And also, Barbie, the Miss Bula 2017 will receive a Miss Youthful Facial Care. And of course, the gift certificate worth 18,000 pesos for Miss Bula 2017. And of course, we have our presenters, Miss Mina Dalina, of course, kanina, and for the Miss Tourism, and Miss Jenny. Miss Jenny De Loveres.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Bula 2017.
Who is your bets? Sino?
Sino? Lakasan niyo!
Lakasan niyo pa! Si Vice, nagtataas din siya ng number. Meron din siyang
meron din
bet.
siyang bet.
Yes. And
our Miss Bula 2017 is candidate number!
There you go!
Candidate number 4!
You are Miss Bula 2017 candidate number 4. And ladies, thank you so much. Chabotan, again, you are this year's Miss Bula candidate number 4.
Congratulations!
You will receive a 18,000 pesos worth of gift certificate from Miss Youthful Facial Care. And the 5 finalists will also receive a gift certificate from Youthful Facial Care.
And they will be receiving an honorary member on 2018 from the local government unit of Bula. So once again, thank you so much for coming over to our panel of judges. Thank you so much. To the people, to the parents of the candidates, to the talent scouts. Sir Art, thank you so much.
Sir Art, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and to your team, thank you so much for having us here. DJ
And I
Matthew.
hope to see you guys again next year.
Next year, yes.
We're really
hoping.
We're really hoping.
If I'm still here in the country.
Yes, me too.
Thank you so much. This has been your host, Barbie.
And I am inviting you guys to please watch ABS-CBN shows and please listen to MOR 93.5 for life. And I'll be on air every 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. That's Mondays to Saturdays. And I am your host for tonight's Miss Bula 2017. I am DJ Maki Macho.
Saying good night, everyone.
Good night and happy fiesta.
Everybody!